Hello and welcome to my channel. So, I get asked about my signature look a lot, and today I thought of recreating exactly that for you, my friend. So, why don't we just dive right in without wasting any more time? Starting with some foundation, and yes, we want a foundation that is high on coverage for this look. So yeah, everyone always asks me, like, I do a lot of party looks, but which one is my favorite party look? So this is the one for you, my friend. This is timeless, this is effortless, and this is for sure going to make you look classy. That's how it is. Don't forget to put your foundation on your neck and also on your ear. For this contour, I am going to look towards the side, and this is a beauty secret that I had borrowed from the Queen Cleopatra. So yeah, if you're someone who wants to have a snatched nose like her, then follow this. As you can see, I have connected this with my eyebrow or my sourcil. So that is something you could do as well, because that gives it a natural look. Bringing the foundation brush back in action without any foundation on it, using the remainder of the product that is left on the brush, we're just going to pat it down until it looks natural. Yes, it is going to take a few taps, so be patient with it. It is going to take a few taps. Be patient with it. Similarly, I am going to contour my jawline, and also, just because I have a chin dimple, I am going to contour that as well, and just a little bit for the cheekbones. And if you would ask me which sort of contours fit best on top of a foundation, I would say, for if your foundation doesn't dry off that quickly, then use the cream contours, because that is going to make your blending jobs easier. However, if you're someone who struggles with the blending part and feels that your foundation dries off on your skin, then go for the powdered ones and use precision brushes to apply that. You could even use a smaller one that is going to take you a bit longer than usual. However, the results would surely make your heart mellow, and it would make you feel elated for sure. It's time for some brows, and if you are an old follower, then you probably know this already. We like to create the stencil first and then fill it in with individual strokes. So we create these parallel lines, or the stencil, the outer part of it, and then fill it in with individual strokes. So For example, your eyebrow hair are following an upward direction, then you must create stroke in that direction. So for example, your sourcil are going in draw, then you gotta go draw. Or for if it's going goosh, then take it goosh. That is how it is. Next up, we have eyeshadow. And yeah, you might be thinking that this is probably a very tricky step and that you suck at blending your eyeshadows. So let me make this easier for you. There is no sort of blending involved. All you gotta do is take any silver glittery shade that you have, take it on your finger, just dab it and swipe it all over your eyelid. And that's about that, my friend. Next up, it's time for a winged eyeliner. So in order to make sure that you do not mess up with the eyeliner, just take the minimal amount of product possible on your winged brush or any sort of brush that you have or whatever you are using to apply it. Alright, so what comes after the eyeliner? Yes, the mascara. I have applied some mascara on this one, as you can see. So I'll quickly go and apply it on this one and I'll be right back. I have applied the mascara on both these eyelashes. However, if you are someone who doesn't have as voluminous eyelashes, then you could also add some falsies right now. This is the time when you do it, my friend. As I have really voluminous, I'm not too sure if you can tell, but I have really voluminous eyelashes, so I don't really like to apply falsies that often. I do it off and on, and that's only for a look. However, usually I do not do it. I just apply a mascara and that's about it for me. As we are approaching towards the end of this look, we are going to apply some lipstick. And yeah, after this we are going to add some highlighter. However, that step is optional. So I love how it matches my hair. So yeah, that about concludes our look. I'll see you in my next one. Let's play some slow-mo shots now, shall we?